Callback is a function passed as an argument to another function which executes immediately. Callback is used to handle asynchronous operations such as reading a file, network requests, or interacting with a database. Let us illustrate what callback is using function hello parentheses parentheses followed by curly braces. Now I'm going to log to the console the word hello, and I'm going to invoke my function right here. As you can see, hello has been logged to the console. Let's create another function paradise parentheses followed by curly braces. I'm going to log to the console the word paradise. Then I'm going to invoke my paradise function immediately after this hello function here, which is paradise. As you can see, paradise has been logged to the console here. Now, what if we make our hello function wait for a considerable amount of 5 seconds by adding set timeout function? Control X, Control V, and then I'm going to put in my time in milliseconds right here, 5,000 milliseconds. As you see, paradise has been logged to the console, but hello is yet to log, and you can see that hello has been logged to the console, and it took me a considerable amount of 5 seconds. Now, in order to guarantee that the paradise function should be logged sequentially to the hello function and not as the reverse case here where paradise is first of all logged to the console followed by the hello function, all I need to do is remove this set timeout function and introduce what is called callback. So all I need to do is place in callback as my parameter here and invoke my callback within, and so I'm going to remove the paradise function here and place it as an argument to the hello function here. As you can see, both hello and paradise are simultaneously and sequentially logged to the console here. I can as well use that for other function London parentheses followed by curly braces. Within the curly braces, I'm going to log the console the word London, and then I'm going to put my London function as an argument into the hello function here. As you can see, both hello and London has been logged to the console simultaneously here. So you can now let's illustrate this with another function sum using x and y as a parameter, x comma y as a parameter, followed by curly braces. I'm going to create a local variable. Let result be equals to x plus y. Then I'm going to create another function display console, Then I'm going to place my result as a parameter here, followed by curly braces. Then I'm going to log to the console my result here. Result here. And right on top here, within the function sum, I'm going to introduce a callback as a parameter, and within the block here, callback, placing my result as a parameter. Then I'm going to invoke my sum function, sum, placing my callback as an argument. Then introduce the value of my x, which is 2, and the value of my y, which is 4. Display console rather. As you can see, 6 has been logged to my console right here.